I have 49. My accuracy is
8 kills.
49%. Accuracy 49% accuracy. That is amazing.
Me, let me check.
What's the accuracy? I have better accuracy.
30%.
Like the video for a cookie.
Authority.
Okay, can you land here? We can play box fights here because this is where I land authority. Wait,
The Ben system.
How about I will go to you guys because you guys know if you guys land authority already.
No.
You must be knowing everything about
Wait.
authorities.
HP, you know Butters drop spot, the one underground?
I know.
That
Take
that
Ayan
one.
there.
Oh,
Take
okay.
Ayan there.
No, I know what this guy does. I know it. But can we go
So
in the
you
other
and,
one? Can we go in
Ayan?
the other one, like this one? I like this one. Like
I'm going there. That's my spot.
No, I'll come with you. I'm scared.
But what about HP? He's lagging so long. Wait,
Okay,
no.
HP
He's same
and
like
me will
us.
go here. HP will go. Where will we go?
What do you mean 301?
Here, this entrance. You see the one down?
But there are no
What?
guns. Oh, wait, what? No one is landing authorities.
No one landing anywhere? Drop anywhere.
I'm a 1,000,000%
Let's
sure.
go!
Yes, at least.
Okay, who is carrying the juice?
I'm taking
like-
drum gun. I'll take drum
You
gun.
take all the mythic weapons. I don't really care about the mythic weapons.
I'll
Oh,
take the
shit,
drum gun.
yes.
I'll take the
Oh,
drum
I
gun.
got a kill.
Shake. Mostly
No,
we have.
Falcon,
we can
no, Falcon, no.
Shit, I forgot I have no mats.
Falcon, I just gave you guys points.
Good GG.
Falcon, I didn't know people were landing. I'm sorry, Falcon. But I
Down. HP, come.
you guys see
Come.
where I am. Oh,
They're
shit,
actually
guys,
down.
we might need to ditch. Marauders are behind me.
No. We might.
Holy Marauders.
Oh, they have one has no shield. One knocked one.
Wait, where's the knock? Okay, I'm pushing.
There.
There's a person
I got
somewhere.
sniped. I repeat. I got sniped.
Help. Guys, push me, my wall.
There's a person above me. Okay.
Guys, on my
Yeah.
wall.
I'm coming.
Heal.
You know what? Screw this game.
Crack. Heal, launch pad.
Why is this a game?
Oh, I'm being targeted.
Oh no,
Crack the
guys.
shield, Falcon. Very good, Falcon. Amazing. You're the best hero in Indian Falcon.
Mythic Og.
You take it
Comment
out of
here.
Ocean Sink.
Launch pad.
Should I launch?
They're breaking. They're on height. I'm not pushing. Oh shit, he hit me kinda. Not really though.
Yeah, I think it's a solo only, but we'll
It's
just
solo,
eat up.
solo. They have a lot of fish. Because the other guy had a swap mission. Guys. Wait, break this. You can't play.
The Fortnite triggers me, boys.
Save him, Falcon. Time
Okay,
29.
Cracked.
Got him.
Good.
Amazing. Gold scar, guys. Gold scar. I'm using it.
Nope. I'll rock with the this thing. I'll take the big
Moranda's
ones.
attacking someone. Moranda's
Big
attacking.
pot,
Do you need
dropping.
someone? Medkit,
I got a
will
chug
go.
splash. We each need medkits, okay?
There are a lot of medkits there. Amazing, guys. You're amazing. I'm building.
I think in east I saw Moranda's attacking someone.
I know.
Where?
Guys. I
Then they were
protected a lot.
Yeah. It's in south east.
Guys.
Okay,
Wait, who shot?
Ayan has.
That's HP.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah, okay, fine.
okay, I'm not carrying healthy. I'm carrying big pot now. I have 3 big pots.
Okay, I need
No,
to-
I'm so dumb.
I have
just-
healthy.
Oh my god, I just can't.
I have one inventory
Oh, second.
space. I have one inventory space.
I don't have any.
I have
shield.
5.
Can I have some?
Take this. Take hunting. Take the hunting.
Okay, I need to.
Pull on top of the mountain.
Oh.
Don't go in the vision. Don't go in the vision. Let's try setting a base over here, like in the zone.
Yeah, I will make a brick.
One in the Conrad. One is Conrad.
Okay, which circle is this in?
Gliding. Target that guy. Target the guy in the air.
That
He has a
broke
kick
his shield.
stingy.
Broke his shield.
This means what?
He's there.
His
team is down, his team is down.
Okay, push. I don't think we got top. Whatever we got. Got a kill.
Good.
You can.
Be careful. There. More teams.
I'm coming for help.
Guys.
Sniping there.
Guys. Someone take.
Above, HP. Above you. I got sniped. I repeat, I got sniped.
Cousin coming to you. I'm next.
I'm healing.
Coming. Oh, this person.
You have kitties launcher. I have big one. Oh, come on, Falcon.
I
There's
heal.
no
Person,
middle gun.
there's a person.
I think they're breaking us down.
No. Oh yeah, maybe.
Yeah. No.
One is in a tree. I have to launch. Should I launch? Too late. They have the drum gun. And 2 launch pads.
They don't have the. Okay, they have the. Oh shit. HP run.
HP, use it.
Where help you? Oh no.
I am the dumbest guy. I am so dumb. I'm gonna die. Oh, actually I need to run away.
HPs. Go to the
I'm
zone.
more
Go
low,
to
I'm
zone.
more
Go to zone. Okay,
I'm
HP's last rocket is over. HP. No! HP's dead. GG.
I've literally no ammo, no mass. How are we gonna kill my face guard?
I don't know what happened, okay? That just sniped me through the
How do I
bush.
get spawn?
For me, I just ran, and then I lost, my match finished, so I was dead. So I'm like, yeah, GG guys.
Oh! Go to the supply drop if you can.
Yeah, you kind of bad. Up again. Okay? Shut up. No, I'm not talking to you. Okay, I'm not talking to you. I just want to say that. I'm talking to them. They think they can learn. Oh shit. I don't know.
Use minis and big
But I
pots.
don't have any health. Oh my god.
You might get it from the supply drop which is coming down.
No, someone's in the corn.
Oh. Try looking out of the zone. Maybe you can get it.
Well, I'll try getting top 4, and then you have to go fight. Let's check.
Okay, Yeah, check there. Maybe there.
There can be people like staring at the bush thingy, the hay bells, yeah. They do
Just
people
go
do-
check up because there's a spawn rate. Oh.
Where my kids? No. I'm gonna get match. The more match I have, the more
Oh,
luck I
there
have.
is a person. There is a person at con. Not this, the other con. Maybe there's a
Oh
person
my god,
here.
it was match
Mike.
kids.
But we got okay.
Ayan.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
Run!
He has 4 HP.
How is
That's
he
with
surviving
HP.
this? Yeah, it's very good XP. Is it doing
He has
too
your whip.
much XP?
Heal fast. When he
He's coming! Run and actually give it too much.
No!
You get shot. If you get alive,
No! I'm so bad. I'm sorry, guys. I'm so bad. Because all
No, it's okay.
see you at like Dio baby. That's what I could see. Don't mind me if I actually see something wrong.
Falcon, God knows let Falcon landed, sorry, and I landed in his spot. I'm sorry, Falcon.
No. Usually my drop spots like this. I go like this only. This is how my drop spot begins. Oh, did he take all the chest?
No, I took only
Someone's
one
healing up.
Oh.
I don't know where he's healing, but he is healing.
Oh yeah.
I'm-
Oh no, you have heals. Okay.
Falcon, I'll do. You have a shotgun. I don't have a shotgun.
Who is charging with shotgun?
You can take
Who is charging with
That's
shotgun?
me.
Falcon, you
Oh,
want the scar?
Bolt, I'll
You
take
can have
it.
the scar if you want.
I have
But
it.
I
Have it.
wanna-
Have it. I have SMG.
I
HB,
want
take this.
Oh, don't open the door. Can I? Okay, no, I have a. Oh,
Solo.
I have medkit. Oh my god.
Yeah,
Okay,
maybe
actually,
come
I
in,
knocked
maybe
it.
come in.
Okay, thank you.
What just happened? I'm being bait, guys, but by the way.
Guys, no, don't go. I'm throwing decoy.
He's blocking the whole party.
Make this whole spot ours, like our build only.
Okay.
I'm going to get the henchman discerning from.
Oh no,
I actually thought that was. No, someone has a grappler.
Yeah.
I'm coming up. Someone has a grappler.
He destroyed me. Almost.
I attacked her. 35. Falcon help. I need to heal.
Knocked one. Help on me.
I'm way low. I will die if I can't. 2 seconds.
Good.
She should be the god. No, 2 people there. No, it's a trap. 2 people were there.
I'll take the drum gun. Fast.
Buddy, I need a medkit.
Oh, I just used the medkit. Sorry. Because I was at 15
Now
minutes.
2 medkits. Who needs a medkit?
No, I don't need it. I'll just do it. I think Falcon. Just give it to Falcon. Falcon be extra safe.
Falcon?
Play extra safe.
Wait, we don't have the key card. That's the only problem.
No, one guy. There was another guy.
Oh, keep that.
Oh, HP has the key card. Oops.
Wow. Falcon just wow. Wait. I don't have any.
I hear more footsteps. Okay, AR ammo, please, fast. AR ammo.
I have only 43. Okay. Yeah, I have only 43, but I have only 13 inside my the second video.
Okay.
How much
Come.
How much do you have?
What?
Yeah, ammo.
Guys, follow.
18, so you can take mine.
No. You can
No, I got AR ammo.
Like, I got
I'll get it disguised fast.
Oh, I got okay. I'm gonna.
I'm gonna. You don't have green discussion. I'm a good one.
No, Falcon. I have to put a these.
Don't kill any henchmen because. Oh wait. Oh never mind.
Give
Don't.
that to it. Give that one.
I thought.
Oh yeah. No wait, I'm just checking this.
I need
Get chug splash. HP, take this.
As soon as I said. You have rubbies?
No, just drink it. I have chug splashes.
Why am I hearing helicopters?
Okay, now come.
Should I go sacrifice? No, I'm not going sacrifice.
Wait, HP. No. Ayan. We have to
No,
wait for
you
Ayan
can
to
do
come.
it without.
No, come. Just
No, I
few
am going to
heals.
the one next to the camping one.
You can just place it on mountain to make it more.
Falcon, people are here. Open the vault. Falcon, open the vault and go.
It's HP.
There's one guy.
HP. No, HP needs it.
He attacked it, he's attacked.
Don't open the
He
water.
attacked the wall.
Guys, people behind us.
Yeah, people there. I think he's there.
Should I just skip, guys?
Guys. Oh, solo! 1 HP! Guys, he's getting 1 HP.
I will help you.
Get it in.
I'll help you. He's coming. You're not coming, bro.
Falcon, Falcon, don't. Falcon, no, you're not ready.
He's resting now. He's not rest, maybe.
Try to get your kills. Okay, no. You don't have any grenades. Oh, no. Oh, okay. You don't need to do it with style, though. Oh, Falcon is the god. Falcon is the biggest god in the entire planet, and there can be no one better than Falcon.
Wait, what?
You guys like,
Falcon heal.
I'm jealous.
Yeah, that's what I'm waiting.
Don't
Please.
Holy. Dance on the guy, please. Oh. Okay,
I am trying to be
Okay.
positive.
Falcon, can we remove? Okay, no. Don't use the You waster. Oh, I feel bad. Falcon, there's a green charge. Take the green charge. And remove the sniper and take my glider gun. Remove the glider gun just in case. Okay, now you can go. You're ready. Now you're ready. You don't need. Yeah.
Like,
Okay.
who can actually beat you?
That can just go now. That's true. Don't tell me you're gonna okay, thank God. I know one friend just to go one block up, he literally uses a grappler and you need that. No, if I don't need a building, just risk it for the best. Like you're attracting more attention. Just you know what to do, right? Yes. I can have the glider gun just in case someone tries to kill her. I didn't want
No,
to
you can't. I'm just taking the drum gun.
Can I be the first one?
I just need a
first
shotgun.
one.
Like,
Oh my God.
I need.
Why am I
Everyone
always the
come to
last
me,
one?
come to me. So usually
Just be like simple decisions. That's it.
knocked one.
What are you, Falcon? You literally knocking people in.
Oh, we are 7
Is there the other
eliminations.
person?
Okay,
Is
I'm
there
moving
the
to
other
that.
person?
I don't know.
see the other person. He's there. I cracked 35 bites.
Got him.
There's one more guy. Okay, I'll try my shit.
No, I'm taking the medkit. I just need it.
He's like, I'm out, guys. Peace out. I
Oh my God, I'm
Wait.
getting so many tags.
Wait, did your sister get scammed? HB?
One guy,
Yeah,
one guy tagged 100 and one guy tagged 10.
One cracked. Yeah, me too. One cracked. I don't know. It was a pink, I think. That one.
Two guys. How nice.
50 something on him.
But we can be high.
he's going down.
I think they're gonna break us down.
No!
Okay.
I have a launch pad, so I'm okay. I can come down.
I'm dead. I'm so dead. I'm the dumbest guy in the entire planet. I'm so dumb. If you can come to me, Falcon. If you can come to me, I'll be having grappler and all.
I'm also low.
You can, oh no. Falcon, they're good in. I have 6 chuck scratches on my body, Falcon. Try to lift the top 2. I have so much fun. Spam it. Oh, GG. 9 kills. How many kills?
GG.
Wait, let me see how many kills. I had 0 kills. I don't care. I had 2 assists though. I had 49. My accuracy is
8
49% accuracy. 49% accuracy. That is amazing.
Me, let me check.
What's your accuracy? I have better accuracy.
30%.
I have 49. How many kills total? I had 0. Actually, how much?
8.
1.
Oh my god. I didn't get kite. I contributed to it. That is try.
Is he called?